Good night. My name is Luis Guillermo Vanegas. In my present, my neighborhood. My neighborhood is the city of Cali. The name of my neighborhood is Naranjos too. My neighborhood in the with in the Alirio Mora a Puerta del Sol. My neighborhood is near the Transversal 103 of the 80th Street in the east my house. My neighborhood there are three churches. Behind my house there is Jesus. It Aires Shopping Center Comercial River Cauca. Behind my house there are five restaurants and four beauty salons. My neighborhood there are two health clinics.